Previously on Daddy's Little Girl.
This conversation is not over. When I come home, you keep a turn your head when me and talk to your little girl. It look like so you don't understand so me and your mother.
I came up with an idea and I was just thinking that she could spend the night.
How was Stacy?
You know, she alright. She and her friend in her room. She sleep over.
What friend I want to sleep over?
See your friend we always have come.
What do you mean sleep over? Stacy.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, honey. Hi. Oh, that's good. Just checking on you guys. Alright.
You need to get her. She is so disrespectful.
Get me for what? I don't even understand why you're talking to me.
Don't you have to be disrespectful, Stacy?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, alright.
What are you guys doing?
Just a talk, you know?
Well, I thought you just came out here to get water. Dad, we have to go study. Come on.
Alright, baby girl.
You got your water. Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah, I just have to pee.
Girl, I got the bubbles. My stomach hurts so bad. It's gonna be a while.
Good afternoon, Stacy. How you doing, Miss Campbell?
Hello, Dr. Rod. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
I'm good.
So, going over Stacy chart here, and it seems like everything looks good. Her blood pressure is fine, weight is where it should be, and everything. So, what is the cause of all the visit today?
Well, Dr. Rod, me I do our laundry and me I look on our panty and our panty have some color, some stain. I'm wanna want to like what go on.
Alright, discharge on the panties. Well, that could be a number of things, you understand? What we'll have to do is do an examination and check to make sure, you know, if it's not a yeast infection or anything like that.
No, it's not.
Oh, we here talk, says Stacy. Are you don't see panty me show you? And we have I make this a face of don't do that.
Because you're so dramatic.
Because I want to do something wrong with you.
Hold on. Alright. Stacy, is there something you want your mom to be in the room for or anything? Or?
No, she can go.
Alright, Mom, well, for patient confidentiality, I have to ask you to step out to the room.
Okay. Alright.
Stacy, sit over here and, you know, let me talk to you real quick, man.
She's just so annoying and dramatic.
Well, that's your mother. That's what your mother's supposed to do. But if she going into your laundry and she checking your clothes, she has to be concerned with some kind of discharge you're having.
I just feel like she's just annoying and just making everything a big deal.
But what is happening?
I don't know. Sometimes it's just wet and white, but it's not like I don't know. I just thought it was normal. Like, I don't know.
But what we'll have to do is I'll have to do an examination. All right? It could be nothing and it could be something. So we have to check. So what we'll have to do is do cultures, take you to an examination, check and see what the discoloration is, what the discharge is. Are you sexually active or anything?
No.
You pause when you answer that question.
No, I was just like, of course not. Like, no.
Okay, well, we'll have to do the check, and after that, we can determine whether or not there's anything I need to give you pills for that it will clear up.
Okay, I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, but we're like not like doing stuff yet. But it's like gonna be a problem. Like,
well, I don't want to say yes.
We...
I can't say yes and I can't say no. We'll have to do the check, and after that, we can determine whether or not there's anything I need to give you pills for that it will clear up.
Like, what kind of pills?
Well, it's antibiotics. Antibiotics will clean out the system. It'll stop the discharge if that is what it really is, or if it's just a regular discharge. You know, girls have that. They go in through puberty. Your body is at a stage where it does change, and your body have to get used to it. You understand? So
right.
It might not be anything, and then it could be something. I can't answer that question until I check. All right? So we're gonna take you, send you over to the examination room. Alright, Stacy.
Is everything okay?
Alright, so we got the results back. Everything looks okay. Everything, you know, looks normal. But is there anything else you want to tell me?
Okay, me and my boyfriend are having sex, but my mom hates him so bad, and I know I'm not supposed to, and I promise I won't do it again. Just please don't tell her. Just please, please. I just didn't want to get in trouble.
I understand.
Please.
Right, listen, there's a lot of dangerous things out there when it comes to having sex, Stacey. To have gonorrhea, to have AIDS, to have herpes. You have to protect yourself from these things. You could be with somebody and it's totally untraceable until they come back in my office and I'm giving you a totally different result. So I'm going to prescribe some medication for you, it's just antibiotics. It's going to clear it up. You have to be careful. You have to use condoms. Are you using condoms? From your pause, I understand that's a no. So I need you to be especially careful. I'm going to tell your mother that you have to just take these pills.
You're not going to tell her though,
I'm
right?
not going to say anything to her as long as you make a promise to me that you're going to be careful going forward. But I don't want you to come back in my office and I have to tell you something different.
I will.
Alright? So let's go explain this to your mom. You can pick up the medications, take that, and in a couple of days you'll be alright.
Okay.
Alright, Miss Campbell. So,
Yes, Dr. Rod.
got the results back. Everything
Okay.
is fine. Alright, we're just going to have to prescribe a little bit of antibiotics for her. It cleared up in about 2 days, but everything is perfect. Everything is good with her.
So she alright? Nothing wrong with her?
Everything is alright.
Told you.
Fit as I fit.
Well, more know she have sex.
Well, from what we can tell here, everything, no problem. You understand? It's just, this happened. She's going through puberty. Her body's changing a little bit. I advised her just to change up her soap. Could be that, you know, a little less activity in the sun or looser clothing.
Yeah, look at me so far.
All right, Stacey?
Alright, Dr. Rod.
All right, y'all have a good day. Stacey?
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, we need to put this in Miss Stacey Campbell's chart.
Okay.
All right.
No one there?
No, I want to.
I think we talk about the whole drinking thing.
It's a little drink, man. No worry about it.
But we have to.
Oh, yeah, man.
Anyways, I'm just coming if you can't tell us. I bring Stacey to the doctor.
What?
Dave, you alright?
You bring her go, eh?
Me bring her to the doctor.
Which doctor?
The gynecologist.
So what?
Me tell her her panty was dirty and it just looked like something the right.
You bring her to a doctor for dirty panty?
Yeah, but there's something wrong with her, so me bring her to a doctor to go see the doctor. And he might tell me, say.
Wait, hold on. Him?
Wait, yeah, doctor.
So, me tell us I'm picking her right and you bring her to a doctor for your man go look for her?
Dear, what you talk say?
What you
And
just said
doctor
to
me
me?
bring her go. The doctor if you go look for her, the doctor tell me say she alright, but me know it's something the right because she has sex.
Shit. You have other man look up underneath her?
Dear,
For dirty panty and you
yeah,
come
we
talk
have
about sex?
gone so far. Me tell me bring her daughter, got that,
So you not talk to me
and you
before?
have gone so?
You not talk to me before? Me not say she alright.
Dear.
So my word no mean nothing.
But
And
dear,
that you tell me say.
dear, me name mean it like that, dear.
You tell me say my word no mean nothing? Come I don't tell you say she alright and you take it up on yourself and you carry her doctor. The other man look up under her.
But me don't know where you feel go on suffer, dear.
Hey, me want me go and suffer?
Like the way you are going, me just confused. Me say there's something wrong with her. You are going like say wrong for bring her that.
You want me to try say? And me tell you say she alright. You don't need to
Dear.
bring her go nowhere. You understand me? How about the boxer in your ear today? You lick your head?
How me lick me head? When me tell you there's something wrong with her, with Stacey, me have to try find out what I'm to her.
You don't have to try to find out nothing. From me say I saw it go, it done.
Dear.
You hear me say?
But dear.
You know hear me say?
Me just want to make sure say pick me
Oh,
alright.
yeah, come on, man. How am I?
But dear, I think you're gonna lick me.
Come on, come away, man.
I think you're gonna lick me, dear.
Hi, Daddy.
Listen, right now, not the mood right now. Alright?
What's wrong?
There's a whole heap of things.
I heard you and Mom arguing. She was being annoying again, right?
Listen, princess. Hear me? Right now.
Why are you so serious?
Right now, calm this. You see?
Do what?
Calm this right now.
Do what?
Hear me? Just take my advice. Calm. You know if we like a secret?
Yeah?
Alright? Right now. Just can't.
But
Alright?
I thought I was your princess forever.
Yes, listen. Oh, that good, but hear me now. Hold on.
Dad, what are you talking about?
Listen, right now, let's have to go through some things and we just have to pause.
Is this about Mom?
Listen, just pause for a second. We can't do this right now. That's all we need to understand.
Okay, but what do you mean? Like, I don't get it. Why don't you wanna? I thought you loved me.
Just can't explain it right now, princess. Just.
Okay, but if I'm your princess, why are you trying to push me away and tell me all the? I don't get it. It's her fault. I know. Like, I don't have anything to do. I thought you don't want to visit me anymore at night.
Listen,
I don't get it.
Listen. Love you, my daughter. You hear me or not? Love you, you're my daughter. But we just can't deal with this right now.
What do you mean?
Alright?
I don't feel like that's fair.
Listen. I can't look for you tonight. We just can't work out, right?
But
you understand me?
No, I don't understand.
I
don't want to understand you. I don't understand.
Listen, we just needed to understand.
You told me that you're gonna take care of me all the time. And now you're telling me you want to stop taking care of me.
I'm gonna take care of you. You're my daughter. I love you.
Okay, so but you promised our visits. You told me as long as I keep it a secret, our visits are gonna be between us. I didn't tell Mom. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything to the doctor. I didn't say nothing.
I know you did.
So why are you doing this to me?
But right now, I have to stop. Okay?
No, no.
I just have to sort some things out. Listen.
No, I don't want to stop. No.
Now you just remind me of your mother, you hear me?
I'm not like her. She's annoying, and I'm never annoying to you. You told me that I'm your princess, I'm your baby girl, all this stuff, and now you want to stop me.
You know what I said? We just have to stop the night visits for now. Let me sort out some things.
But Daddy, I love our visits. You told me that.
Listen, no, it's not your fault. It's mine. Let's just stop this right now. Alright? Humble yourself, man. So what you want to for? I'm still here. We just have to stop that part. Alright? And handle some things with your mother?
She's always messing everything up.
Don't worry about it, man. It's okay. Alright?
Well, we're not gonna stop. You can't tell me we're gonna stop. Because guess what? How would Mom feel if she found out about this? Now, we can keep it a secret, but you have to give me what I want.
Don't say nothing to me. Just don't say nothing to me.
Can you find a ride home after school today?
Yeah, that's my dad. What are you doing after school?
I just don't want to take you home anymore. I don't want to pick you up and I don't want to drop you.
Why?
I spoke to Tiffany and I don't... No, your family's a bit weird and I don't want to get associated with that anymore. I'm sorry.
What do you mean my family is weird?
Right, well, I spoke to Tiffany and
And what did Tiffany say?
look, you're so rude, even to your mom.
Okay, but my mom's annoying. Isn't your mom annoying sometimes?
It's your mom at the end of the day.
Okay, but I don't get why me and my mom arguing. You don't want to be my friend because we argue?
This is the issue, Stacey. Stacey just wants to be Stacey. Like, you're not always right.
Okay, but what did I do that was wrong? I don't get why you don't want to be my friend.
You have not been yourself. I'm not comfortable coming to your house. I'm not comfortable.
Why?
Because you're not the Stacey I know.
But what's different? I don't get it.
Exactly. I spoke with Tiffany.
Okay, but
and we've
you're gonna
decided-
listen to Tiffany?
Yeah, she's been my friend for longer than I have been with you. She's not gonna lie to me, is she?
Well, what did she say?
I just don't want to be your friend anymore, okay? I'm not going to repeat anything. You should know. Whatever went on, whatever happened at your house the time you came over?
Nothing happened. I just don't get it. You guys are my only friends at school. Like, what do you want me to do at lunch?
So you're getting mad at me for not wanting to be your friend?
Forget it. Whatever. We don't have to talk anymore. Dad, where are you?